Hello guys, my name is Welly. Welcome to my first video. I tried to do the unboxing for Stanley Sj60. I just bought this jigsaw from Home Hardware. The price of this tools is $89.90. Okay, let's start the unboxing. Okay, this is what inside. We have a warranty card, the free saw, and also the manual guide. Okay, this is the jigsaw itself. Okay, this jigsaw came with a 2 years warranty. This is my first jigsaw, so I need to read the guidance on how to use
the jigsaw.
This one. Okay. For your information, there is my camera girl, Evelyn.
Me, that's me.
Okay. Let's see this device more closer. Come. This is the base plate. You can adjust the angle, but need to unscrew these two hex screw. The hex bit is available here. Okay, so there is a speed adjuster here.
6.
Okay, from 1 until 6. Okay. Oh, there is a, you see here also this button. I believe when you want to continuously use this one and press like this. Okay. Okay, let's see the specification here. This is a 600 watt, and speed max minimum is 500 until 3000 per minute. Okay, so for anything, since the warranty is 2 years, I can go back to the shop and do the warranty. They will help me to send to the service center. Okay, later I will create another video for how to use this jigsaw. I think it's enough for now, and thank you for watching my video. See you again.